Welcome to Half Moon Creation. These paper flower templates are a DIY project. These to-do-it-yourself paper flower tutorial will teach you how to create beautiful flowers that will never wilt and die. They are a perfect decoration for any special occasions such as parties, backdrop for weddings, baby showers, photo booth, and even individual flower that will look great on any wall in your home. Once you receive the package, you will receive your hard copy templates, depending on what type of template number you order. This direction will apply to most of my templates. This is an example of template number 2. Inside the package, you will receive 6 hard copy of the template. This is the smallest all the way to the largest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three of the base. There's a small, medium, and large. And 2 of the paper strip for the flower centers. So to make the small paper flowers, you need template number 1, 2, and 3. And a small base and the small strip for the paper flower center. So this would make a small paper flowers. And for the medium flowers, you need size 2, 3, and 4, and a medium base, and another small strip. So this will make a medium paper flowers. As for the large paper flowers, you will need template number 3, 4, and 5. And you will need the large base and the large strip for the flower center. So this would make a large paper flower. As for the extra large paper flower, you will need template number 4, 5, and 6. And the large base and the large strip. This set is to make the extra large paper flower. For example, if you want to make the medium paper flower, you have template number 2, 3, and 4. And you take these template and you trace it onto the paper. So you trace 6 of the large petal, 6 of the medium petal, and 6 of the small petal. And once you cut it out, you will glue the large petal first. After the large petal, you will glue the medium-sized petals in between the large, and then you will glue the small petals inside. Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number 2. Once you receive your package, trace and cut 6 of the large petals, 6 of the medium petals, and 6 of the small petals, the base, and the strip. Next, what you need to do is to shape your petals. Next, what you need to do is to make the center cut, stack it together. Make the center cut about 1 inch. For the larger petal, about 1.5 inches. Next, what you need to do is to glue the petals together. Turn this over and cross over the flap like this and secure it with glue. Next, what you need to do is to attach the petals to the base. Start with the large petals. Place some glue on the back. Now that we form our flower, next what we need to do is to make our flower center. Use one of the strips. Make a fringe cut. Open it and flip it to the other side. Place a little bit of glue. You spread it out. Now place some glue at the bottom of the flower center and glue it on. Now you have a beautiful flower.